lot of boats, a lot of tourists as you would expect.
It's a bit dirty.
Yeah, I don't think Rona should swim.
I don't know if it's deep or not.
Oh, this is just down from the station. We're going to get our van. Nice view of the river.
So guys, I'm here in front of the boat with my Niamor.
Okay, Rona and I, we're in the boat now doing the river market, the floating market.
I'm in front, guys.
Yeah, let
So I
Rona
have
take
a
the
nice
front.
view.
But it's pretty cool. A lot of boats, a lot of tourists as you would expect. But it's a lot cooler than being out in the sun. Very refreshing. I don't know who I'd give them to as a souvenir. Gee. Coconut ice cream.
Yes, coconut ice cream, coconut water.
Hi! It's really cool here. I love it here. I want to swim, but I don't know if I can swim. It's a bit dirty.
Yeah, I don't think
It's
Rona
not-
should swim.
I don't know if it's deep or not. I have to ask someone here.
As you can see, it's very touristy, but we're down where there's less boats now, so it's a bit more relaxing and can enjoy it a bit more. But I think it's something you have to do when you come here. Sometimes you have to do the touristy things. So our little cruise is coming to an end. Very, very enjoyable. Very relaxing. Apart from these power boats, which they should ban. As you can hear in the background, they're terrible. They create big waves. They're noisy. The pollution from their smoke from their engines. They really should make this river market, floating market, just for the paddle boats. So this is it. We are done now and up and out. And that's our tour. We're going to stop. We've got a couple of hours to hang around here, so we're going to get some lunch and then move on. Nine, not large portions. Oh, our blueberry smoothies. And Rona, I recommended for Rona, because she likes spicy, the tom yum soup with chicken. So mine's pork and Rona's got chicken. I'm sure she's going to like this. I have a feeling this might be her favourite. And that's it. We ate it. Sharing the tom yum as well, my meal. Very good. And then we'll go explore. Thought I would bring Rona over to show us something which we don't see anymore, and every person from Britain would remember these. Wow. It's just a telephone booth on a highway. You ever seen one of them before, Rhoda? And it's got a phone. Who are you going to call?
Hello? Is there someone in there? No, I'm not available. Bye-bye.
Wow, telephone booth. Okay, we're about to go. This is just around by the river, the markets, little stalls, souvenirs. Let's look at Rona's magnets. Oh no, she's gonna have a heart attack. There's so many magnets. Rona. There you go, lots of magnets, Rona.
Let's go there and look.
Thank you. Ooh. What do you think, Rona?
I'll try first. How do you eat this? Like that?
Yeah, just eat it. Just break it. Yep. What do you think? Yes? Okay, my turn. Semi-sweet.
Yours has different flavor.
Nice. I don't know what to make of that. It's semi-sweet. Seen them around everywhere, and it's the first time I've ever tried them. I think it's some sort of citrus fruit, but I don't know what it is. I like it though. Wow, it pays to wander around, doesn't it? It's like a little boat museum. Wow. Some really old things here. Wow, the old paddle, a bit dusty. Models, I guess. Wow. Didn't expect to see this. Wow. Okay, I think they're just models. Anyway, there's a few over there. Wow, very surprised. Okay, so that's our trip of the market and of the railway. What did you think?
It's really cool. I like here. I love the food. I love the entire tour today.
Yeah, really good. One of the better tours we've been on in all our travels. I know it's touristy, but I still enjoyed it. Okay, well that will be it for this little adventure today. Bye.